Take a ride in the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, first aid kit. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.